Hey guys, it's Dylan from the Music Factory in Seattle. I got another lesson for you today. Go check us out at musicfactorynw.com. We got all styles for all ages, all levels, and right now we're all online. So anywhere you are, anywhere you want to be, come get some lessons from us. Thanks. Okay, part 3 of our modes. This is the overall formula for any mode, right? For them all together. If I had a 100-string bass, I could just keep playing this all the way down, right? You just need 3 shapes, 3 finger shapes. That's it. One string, 3 notes. You got 2 whole steps, right? You've got 1, 2, 4. And 1, 3, 4. That's all you need. That's all 3 shapes that you'll ever play in any of these modes. Okay? So the shape goes whole step, whole step, whole step, whole step, whole step, whole step, 1, 2, 4, 1, 2, 4, 1, 3, 4, 1, 3, 4, and then repeat. And one of your modes starts on each of these 7 lines. Okay? So if you take a look at that chart, what you see, if I start on the first whole step, I get Mixolydian. And I can take that up as many strings as my bass has. I got 4, but if you had a 5-string, 6-string, 7-string, 20-string, it's all going to work out in this shape, right? If I start on the third whole step, I get Lydian. Whole step, 1, 2, 4, 1, 2, 4, 1, 3, 4. Right? If I start on the first 1, 3, 4, I get Aeolian. Whole step, whole step, whole step. Right? If I start on the second 1, 2, 4, I get Phrygian. 1, 2, 4, 1, 3, 4, 1, 3, 4, whole step. And these work vertically, but they also work horizontally. So if I start on, if I want F Ionian, and I start on the second whole step, I got whole step, whole step, whole step, whole step. 1, 2, 4, 1, 2, 4. Right? Or so they're all connected in this way. So if you learn that simple 7-line formula, then you got all of them down. Easy. All right, check you guys out next time.